Hey, Mr. Harper Smith here. Today we're talking about limits. To get an idea of what a limit is, let's talk about riding the school bus to school. Okay, we've all at some point either ridden in a school bus or our parents taking us to school, something. So you get into the school bus, your parents' car, whatever, we're gonna stick with the school bus. You get into the school bus, you're riding along, things are going great. Where are you going? You're going to school. Well, you're about ready to pull into the school parking lot. Where are you still going? You are still going to school. But what happens as soon as the bus gets into the parking lot and stops? Where are you? You are at school, right? So there's a difference there. Where are you going versus where are you? There are two differences, okay? Where are you going? Where are you? So the definition of a limit would be stating where they are going. Once the school bus arrives at school, that's not the limit anymore. We're not going to school anymore. We're already here, okay? As far as limits are concerned, we just care about where we are going. That's it. So let's look at this graph. This graph might help us understand a little better about how to see a limit. So we have this horizontal asymptote right here. It is not continuous. Let's say the horizontal asymptote is at 3, okay? Well, so what is my limit at 3? What is my limit? It's actually going to be written like this. My limit at x equals 3. What is my limit? Well, there is no answer. At 3, it's nothing, okay? But what would be my limit as x approaches 3 from the positive side? Let me show you what that means. From the positive side would be over here, positive infinity. As we're coming from positive infinity, where does the graph go to? Does the graph go up or does it go down? It goes down. How far does it go down? Forever and ever and ever and ever. And that's at 3. So as we're approaching x equals 3, from the positive side, as we're approaching it, as we're getting closer and closer and closer and closer, we are going towards negative infinity, okay? The limit at x equals 3 does not exist. Then finally we have the limit at x approaches 3 from the negative side. Well, let's look, okay? From the negative side, well, over here would be your negative side. We're coming along, it starts going up and up and up and up and up. We're getting really close to 3. Where is the line headed towards? It's headed towards positive infinity. Okay, that should technically be an uppercase E, but whatever. All right, those are some limits. Notice how the limits are written. You have the limit as x approaches something. X approaches it from the positive side or from the negative side, okay? That is how we are writing our limits. Then it either goes towards infinity, negative infinity, does not equal anything. There's a couple other examples that we'll do in the next video. Answer the questions down below.